Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. Today I am making a wonderful side dish called Twice Baked Potato Casserole. This dish is delicious and is perfect any time of year. Whether it is a 4th of July picnic, Thanksgiving, or Easter, it is just one of those dishes that goes with absolutely everything, and it is definitely a crowd pleaser. So typically, twice baked potatoes are potatoes that are baked and then sliced in half, remove the inside, mix it with some ingredients, and then stuff them back into the potato skins. Now, as much as I love that, I like the casserole version better because it's a little bit easier. It's the same concept. You bake your potatoes, remove the inside, mix it with your ingredients, and then you place it into a casserole dish so you don't have to stuff the potato skins. However, if you want to do that, by all means, it is the same ingredients, just stuff them back into those potatoes. All right, so I'm going to go over these ingredients with you, but before I do, just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you hit the notification bell, you will know as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe, which I do every single week. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so these are your ingredients that you're going to mix into your potatoes. I have 2 cups of a shredded cheddar cheese. 1 cup will go inside the filling and 1 cup will go over the top. Then I have 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sour cream, 3 green onions that have been sliced, half of a pound of bacon that has been chopped, 1 stick of salted butter, some pepper and salt, and then also a little bit of seasoned salt. Okay, and then of course you're gonna need your potatoes. You want to use 5 or 6 of the large baking potatoes or about 8 to 10 of the medium-sized russet potatoes. But let me show you how I prepped to bake these potatoes.
I am taking a sharp knife and making some slits into the potato, and I am drizzling some olive oil over each potato, and then I am just going to kind of lather the potato in the oil and sprinkle each potato with some salt.
All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my potatoes, slice them in half. Now they are warm, they're not steaming hot, but they are still warm because I've got to be able to hold them. And then I'm just going to take a spoon and just remove all the insides of the potato. Okay, I have scraped out all of the insides of my potatoes and placed them into a large mixing bowl. And now I'm just going to start adding the other ingredients, starting with my 1 stick of salted butter, and I've just cut it up into pieces. I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to add a good pinch of salt and pepper. I'm going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of seasoned salt. And next I'm going to add my 1 cup of milk. And I did heat this in the microwave, so it is nice and warm. I'm going to add about half of this bacon. And the bacon I cut into pieces before I cooked it. So let me show you just how I did that. I want some of this bacon inside the filling, and then I want some of the bacon to be nice and crispy on top. I'm going to place half of my green onion inside the mixture, and then the other half I will place on top. And finally, again, half of this shredded cheddar cheese inside the filling, and then the rest will go on top. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy potato masher and mix and mash all this together. Alright, so I think I have mixed everything together. My potatoes are mashed, but I want you to know that it is not creamy like mashed potatoes. It is a little bit chunky, and that's okay. That's what you want. And if you have some potato skin that has made it into your filling, then that's even better. But I'm going to just place this into a baking dish. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of this cheese on top and the rest of this bacon. Okay, so now I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for around 30 minutes until it's nice and hot and bubbly, and I have saved the rest of my green onions to top it after it is cooked. Oh my goodness, this looks so yummy. I cannot wait to dig in. Is there anything any better than potatoes with cheese and bacon? I'm just saying, this is delicious. And I love the chunky potatoes that's in this. It just gives it some added texture. And another thing that's really great about this casserole is it can be made the day before, and then you can just keep it in your refrigerator, and then when you're ready to cook it, pop it in the oven, and then you will have it ready for you. But I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.